Hello everyone, it's Amabel. Welcome to the How to Draw channel. Today, we will show you how to draw and color flip-flops. Let's draw and paint together. First, we are drawing a simple 5-petal flower. Next, we're drawing the strap of the flip-flop. Now, we are drawing the sole of the flip-flop. The sole of the flip-flop is usually made from rubber, foam, or plastic, providing elasticity and comfort when walking. Now, we're drawing the flip-flop on the right, similar to the flip-flop on the left. Flip-flops are very popular and widely used in many parts of the world, especially in hot weather or in areas near the sea. Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this drawing better. Please color the picture to make it more vivid.
Green.
We're going to color these flip-flops in lots of colors.
Pink.
We love to draw and paint a lot. Please draw and color flip-flops with us.
Blue. Red. Yellow.
Purple.
Now the picture is very beautiful, isn't it? I hope this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the How to Draw channel. See you in the next video.